In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Forms to create surveys. We'll build a survey from scratch using the built-in Gemini assistant to generate questions, then we'll polish the form so it's ready to use. First, open your browser and go to Google Forms. If you're asked to sign in, use your Google account so your work saves automatically. You'll land on the form's home screen. Next, start a new survey by choosing Blank Form. Templates are available, but blank gives you full control and keeps things simple for this walkthrough. Right away, you'll see a Gemini prompt appear. This is Google's Help Me Create a Form tool, which can draft questions for you based on a short description. It's perfect when you have a goal in mind, but don't want to write every question from scratch. In the prompt field, type a clear description of your survey. Explain the topic, who will answer it, and the kind of questions you want. For example, mention whether you prefer multiple choice, short answers, or rating scales, how many questions you need, and any must-ask items. The more specific you are, the better the suggestions will match your intent and tone. When your description looks good, click Create. Gemini will think for a moment and produce a proposed outline with suggested questions and formats tailored to what you wrote. To bring those suggestions into your form, click Create Form. Google Forms will instantly populate a draft with the generated questions, ready for review. Now refine the survey so it fits your voice and goals. Click any question to edit the wording for clarity and brevity. Use the drop-down on the right of each question to switch types, like changing from multiple choice to checkboxes or linear scales. Add or remove options so answers are unambiguous, and toggle the required setting on essential questions to ensure you collect the data you need. Adjust the form title and description at the top, so respondents understand the purpose and how long it will take. If a question feels complex, break it into two simpler ones, and keep response choices mutually exclusive to avoid confusion. Consider accessibility by avoiding jargon and keeping text readable. That's it. You've created a survey in Google Forms, leveraged Gemini to draft smart questions, and fine-tuned the content so it's clear and effective. Save your changes, and you'll be ready to share the form whenever you're set to collect responses.